In this video, I will show you the basics of the magic loop method. This is a great alternative to using double-pointed needles when knitting smaller items in the round. As you can see, I have cast on a relatively small number of stitches, but have quite a long cable attached to them. First, I will split my stitches in two. I have 36 stitches, so I will count across to 18. Then I will gently pull the cable out between the 18th and 19th stitches, dividing my stitches in half. Now I will snuggle my stitches onto the needle tips. As you would normally do when joining work in the round, make sure that your stitches are lined up properly and aren't twisted. We will start by knitting the stitches on the front needle. Holding the stitches with the working yarn attached to them in the back, pull the needle through the stitches. Now we will use that needle that we pulled through to knit the stitches in the front, joining the work in the round. I will just knit straight across the stitches on this needle, and then I will show you how to turn your work around. Once I have come to the end of the stitches on that needle, I will turn my work around. Then I will pull the cable loop on the left to bring the stitches in the front onto my needle. Then I will pull the needle at the back through those stitches so that I can use it to once again knit the stitches on the front needle. Again, I will just knit straight across, and then I will show the turning of the work one more time. First, turn the work around, pull the loop through to put the stitches onto the needle in the front, and then pull the needle in the back through to knit the next set of stitches. Once I knit the next few stitches and stop in the middle of the row, you can clearly see where this technique gets its name, magic loop.